Hello traders, welcome to Trading the Trend. I am Dennis. Sorry I've been away for a while. I've been really busy. I'm trying to sell one house and renovate another, and that's taking up a lot of my time. But I wanted to show you this trade here that I'm looking at that's really looking exciting. Could be a big one for us. This is the Euro New Zealand. Now this had been a top strong week trade going back. I think our entry point was back here around the 9th of August, and it's been a zigzag pattern, stepping pattern upwards, but it peaked on the first day of December. 1,471 pips on this move, so a really strong move. And now we've had this pullback, about a little better than a 50% pullback. It looks like if I ran a fib on there, it would be pretty close to that 63% retracement level. Anyway, it looks like the pullback may be over. We had a real strong up candle on the 12th of December. Then we had a 7-day pullback, and that ended on the 24th with another nice big up candle that completely wiped out that 7-day pullback consolidation. Right now we're trying to push through the 170 level. If we can get through there, then this thing should be clear to make its way back up to the old highs near the 175 mark. Now that's just the beginning. Now if we back this thing out, actually we're going to look at the weekly chart, and we're going to back it all the way out, and as you can see, we've been in this tight consolidation. Actually, it's a pretty wide consolidation, 2,500 pips range between the 150 and the 175 point here, and that's been going on since 2011. It's just been going sideways, following this huge down move. This is probably back when everyone thought the euro was going to go away as a currency, but it finally hit its bottom, and it's just been kind of making this long sideways bottom here. So I think this thing is ready to break up to the upside. If we can get through that 175 level and maybe even the 180 level, then this thing's got a lot of room to run. And from that 2 level to the 1.75 level, that's 2,500 pips. So I mean, this thing could easily move up 2,500, maybe even 5,000 pips with no problem. It might take a couple years to get there, but I think that's where we might be heading. So you need to do your own analogy on this. Take a look at it. If this fits into your trading plans for a long-term buy and hold, I think this could be a winner. As far as where you would put your stop, going back here to the daily. Actually, let's look at the weekly. That pin bar reversal weekly candle is pretty significant here, because that was the end of this downturn. Now, as long as we stay above that, then I'd say this is a good trade. Get a close below that, excuse me on that, get a trade below that, then that goes away. Then we'll move on to something else, take our loss. But if this thing turns out to go our way, we're not talking about we got a stop loss here and we are taking profits way up here or way up here. So I mean, you're probably looking at a 20 to 1, 30 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So this could be a huge one. Anyway, do your own research. If it works for you, great. If not, have your exit plan so you don't get hurt too much. But I am playing this thing to break out to the long side. Hopefully I can do more of these videos as I see these trades come up, and I will catch you all later.